Hello everyone. How are you all doing? Welcome back to our channel A Word a Day. Let's continue our verbal journey with a quote. Investment in travel is an investment in yourself. You cannot travel to all the places in the world, but it should be in your bucket list. So, if you're lucky enough to travel to Eiffel Tower and places like that, then you can use this word for sure. The word of the day is glisten. The meaning is shine with a sparkling light. Examples: the Eiffel Tower glistened on the festive day. Burj Khalifa glistened up in honor of Shah Rukh Khan on his birthday. Let's meet up soon tomorrow and do not miss out the last video of tomorrow and our Sunday special video too. Thank you so much for watching the video. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe.